Hello everyone, I am here for our remaining chapter that we will discuss already. Today we will solve the exercise and write down the question answers and word meaning of this chapter. So let me start the first exercise, that is word meaning. Okay. The first word is fluttered. Fluttered. The meaning of this word: moved from side to side. Move from side to side. Now next one is chilled. You know this word very well. Chilled. Okay. Very cold. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा. Now next one is refreshed. Refreshed. The meaning of this word is felt more energetic. Felt more energetic. Now next one is invented. Invented. The meaning of this word is created something. Created something. Something that did not exist before. Exist before यानी कि जो चीज़ पहले से नहीं थी इस वर्ड में, ठीक है, और उसके बारे में अगर हम पता लगाते हैं तो उसको हम इन्वेंशन बोलते हैं, और जो चीज़ पहले से होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिस्कवर. स्टिरर. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज स्टिरर. ए वुडन स्टिक. ए वुडन स्टिक. स्टिक that stirs a liquid. Okay. Now here next devoured. The meaning of this: ate हंगरली. किसी चीज़ को ऐसे खाना जैसे बहुत दिन से वो चीज़ उसने खाई नहीं है, या खाने वाला पर्सन बहुत ज़्यादा हंग्री है, भूखा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज क्रिएशंस. क्रिएशंस. थिंग्स मेड. जब कोई चीज़ हम बनाते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं क्रिएशन. जैसे कि इसी से आपका बना हुआ वर्ड है क्रिएटिविटी, ठीक है, या क्रिएटिव. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज confection. The meaning of this word is sweet. Okay. Now next one is dessert. Dessert, it means sweet dish. Dessert को हम बोलते हैं sweet dish, यानी कि कुछ मीठा. This is the word meaning, and note down this in your fair notebook. After that we will start question answers of this chapter. So I am erasing it beta now. Now after that it beta, here some sentences are write down and they are not in sequence. Okay, they are in jumbled sentence. Number the events 1, 2, 3 and so on as they happen in the story. यहाँ पर स्टोरी से रिलेटेड कुछ सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं, उन्हें आपको एक जो स्टोरी में सीक्वेंस था उन सेंटेंस का, उसी सीक्वेंस में आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर मैं आपको हेल्पलाइन दे रही हूँ, ठीक है। मैं सेंटेंस नोट नहीं करूँगी, आपका सेंटेंस नंबर और इधर पर आपका आंसर डालना है मुझे, ठीक है। आप अपनी बुक से मैच कर लेना इसको। नंबर द events 1 2 3 and so on as they happen in the story. Now A number is, this is the 6th number, ठीक है। जो A नंबर है आपका, ये स्टोरी में आपका 6 नंबर पॉइंट बनेगा। नाउ B C D E F G and H. Now, then after B number, here is the 7 number. Jahan was coming back from the school. This is the first number. Okay, ऐसे मैच कर लो आप. Now D number में आपका आएगा 5. ये जो सेंटेंस है आपका 5 नंबर पर आएगा. E नंबर इसमें आएगा आपका 2 नंबर, ठीक है. नाउ देन आफ्टर F आपका मैच करेगा 3rd से. G, Jahan bought a mango popsicle. This is the line number 4. Frank found a frozen sweet in this glass. This is the 8 नंबर, ठीक है. अब आपको सीरियल से लिखना है. 1 सेंटेंस नंबर 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6 7 and this one is 8th. Okay, now this is solved. After then we will start the question answers. Okay. Now, why did the answer this question? Why did the short walk to home seem endless to Jahan? Write down this question. 2 number. Answer the questions. Answer the questions. Now, first question is, why did the short walk to home seem endless to Jahan? No. No. Sorry, this is the answer. So, second, Jahan was feeling tired that the short walk home seemed endless. Seemed endless. Now, second question number second. Why did Jahan begin to dig into his pocket? Why did Jahan begin to dig into his pocket when he heard the popsicle man's bell. Why did Jahan begin to dig into his pocket when he heard the popsicle man's bell? The answer is Jahan began to dig into his pocket because he wanted to eat popsicle. Jahan began to dig into his pocket because he wanted to eat popsicle. Okay. Now, write down this in your fair notebook. I will erase it. Now, here the question number 3 I will write. Now, question number 3. What came out when the popsicle man and the popsicle man open the lid of his cart. Now, here answer. What came out? Then the answer is chilled air flowed out. Chilled air flowed out when popsicle man opened the lid of his cart. Okay. Then after question number 4. What is the question? Eating a popsicle. Eating a popsicle. Eating a popsicle. Who spoke these? Who spoke these words? These words, and to whom? What was the speaker? Was the speaker happy or angry? Happy or angry? Now the answer of this question, eating a popsicle. Who said? Jahan's mother said to Jahan, the speaker was happy. Okay. Word meaning and question number 1 to 4 we have done in this part. Remaining question answers we will do in next part. Thank you everyone. Do this work in your fair notebook and learn it also. Okay.